Get a beautiful, glowing, and young looking skin from the inside out. In today's video, I'll be showing you a recipe that guarantees you that. And today, we'll be killing two birds with one stone, if you understand what I mean. That is, you will be achieving beautiful, glowing, and young looking skin, and at the same time, you would achieve good health. So that is killing two birds with one stone. So you are most welcome. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss any upcoming video on beautiful recipes like the one I'll be sharing in today's video. And welcome back all my old subscribers. God bless you. So hit the like button. Let's get started. First, we would need lemon. Okay, so lemon is very good for our skin. In fact, lemon brightens the complexion. Okay, lemon's natural acids lighten dark spots and hyperpigmentation, promoting even skin tone. So we'll be using lemon here. So I'll be extracting the juice from the lemon. So lemon exfoliates the skin. Yes, the citric acid in lemon acts as a natural exfoliant, removing dead skin cells so that you get a smoother skin. Okay, so lemon fights acne. Yeah, lemon's antibacterial properties help reduce acne and control oil production. So lemon is very good for your skin, both when you take it internally and you apply on your skin. So lemon minimizes pores. It can tighten skin and reduce the appearance of enlarged pores. So after telling you the beauty benefits, I'll also tell you the health benefits, okay? So when you apply lemon on your hair, it actually gets rid of dandruff. Okay, yeah, and it enhances hair shine. So even when you take lemon internally, it also help your hair. Okay, it give it makes your hair strong and grow fast. Okay, so it has anti-aging effects also. So the antioxidants in lemon fight free radicals, reducing signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Okay, so let me also tell you the health benefits of lemon. So while you are achieving brighter skin, you're also going to be healthy, okay, as lemon boosts immunity. Yes, lemon is rich in vitamin C, and that strengthens your immune system and helps to fight infection, okay. So lemon aids digestion also. Lemon juice helps in digestive issues including bloating and indigestion. So lemon is very good for you, okay. It also hydrates the body. Yeah, lemon water provides hydration and balances electrolytes. Yes, it also supports weight management. Okay, so it boosts metabolism and aids in fat breakdown. So if you're looking to lose weight, lemon is really great for you. Okay, do not throw this peel away. Yeah, do not throw your lemon peel away. I have another recipe in another video where I'll show you what to do with your lemon peel. You can boil it and drink the water. Okay, it also detoxifies the liver. Yes, when you take lemon water, it detoxifies the liver. So lemon is so good for you. So now I have extracted my lemon juice. The next thing we need is cucumber. Okay, so cucumber is so good for our skin. Yes, as it hydrates. Yes, for your skin to look beautiful, you need to hydrate. So cucumber is rich in water content, which helps in keeping the skin hydrated and fresh. So cucumber is something you should be taking every day, okay? So it soothes irritation. Yes, It has anti-inflammatory properties that suit skin irritations, redness, and puffiness. So you can also place cucumber on your eyes if you're having puffy eyes. Okay, so it reduces dark circles around the eyes as well. Yes, the cooling effect of cucumber slices can help reduce under eye puffiness and dark circles. Good. So cucumber is so good. So it also tightens the skin. Yes, cucumber contains silica, which improves skin elasticity and helps tighten sagging skin. So you can see when you are looking to look good, cucumber is very good for you. It also fights acne. Yes, it has an it has properties that fights acne. Yes, and it tightens pores as well. It also fades blemishes. Yes, the antioxidants in cucumber can tighten scars and lighten blemishes and pigmentations. So next we need tomatoes. Yes, fresh tomatoes. So I just brought this one out from my freezer. They are a big block. So you need fresh tomatoes. So tomatoes has natural skin brightener. So a lot of people don't know this. So tomato contains vitamin C and A, which helps brighten dull skin and even out your skin tone. It also has anti-aging properties. Yes, there's a component in tomatoes called lycopene. It's a very powerful antioxidant, okay? It protects against UV damage and reduces fine lines. So tomato is so good. It has oil control properties as well, okay? So the acidic property of tomatoes helps balance skin's pH level and reduce excess oil from your skin. Okay, so it also helps in acne treatments. So tomato has an anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce acne and blackheads. It also helps to minimize pores. So applying tomato juice can tighten pores and smooth skin texture. And when you take it internally, it also helps to brighten your skin. It helps to keep your skin fresh. And not, many people know about this. Taking tomato juice or tomato smoothie also has a lot of health benefit. It's very good for the heart, okay? So it's rich in potassium and antioxidants. So tomato improves heart function, lower blood pressure. So if you're suffering from blood pressure or that is high blood pressure, or you know anyone that is suffering from high blood pressure, taking tomato juice or tomato smoothie is very good for that person. Okay, so it also helps in cancer prevention. Yes, tomato contains lycopene, and lycopene has been linked to a reduced risk of cancer. Okay, so particularly prostate and lung cancer. So tomatoes are very good, fresh tomatoes. Okay, so it also improves vision because it has vitamin A. Okay, so the vitamin A in tomato helps to improve your vision and prevent night blindness. It also supports digestion. Okay, so tomatoes are high in fiber, aiding digestion and preventing constipation. You guys know that constipation is so bad. So tomatoes can help prevent constipation. It also helps to improve your immunity. So it boosts your immunity because it has vitamin C. Okay, so it strengthens your immune system and speeds up healing. So tomatoes are so good for you guys. So next is ginger. Okay, so I have fresh ginger here. Ginger helps to fight acne. Yes, so ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and helps to reduce acne breakout. And ginger promotes the skin. It promotes glowing skin. Okay, it stimulates blood circulation, giving your skin a natural glow. So ginger also has anti-aging properties. So it is rich in antioxidants, and it helps combat free radicals, reducing signs of aging. Okay, so ginger also reduces scars. Yes, it has healing properties that can fade scars over time, especially acne scars. And ginger improves skin tone. So ginger can even out skin tone and reduce dark spots. Yes, so ginger is something, in fact, you should be taking every day. It is very, very good for you. And when it comes to the health benefits, oh my goodness, ginger has a lot of health benefits, but let me just mention some of them here, okay? So it boosts digestion, it aids in digestion, yes, and prevents bloating. Yes. So ginger also has anti-inflammatory properties. So it helps reduce inflammation in the body, easing joint pain as well. Yes. So and ginger boosts immunity. Ginger strengthens the immune system, helping to fight infections. Okay. So ginger is something you should incorporate in your daily meal. It also helps to relieve nausea. Yes, it has the ability to relieve nausea and morning sickness. So for those that are pregnant and are experiencing morning sickness, you can just put ginger in your mouth and suck it, okay? Yes, and it lowers blood sugar. Yes, ginger can help manage blood sugar levels. So it is very, very beneficial for those that are having diabetes, okay? Yes, so these are the health benefits of ginger. So next we have dates, okay? So dates helps promote healthy skin. Yes, dates are rich in vitamin C and D, which improves skin elasticity and promotes smooth glowing skin. Yes, and date also has anti-aging properties. The antioxidants in dates combat free radicals, reducing wrinkles and signs of aging. Okay, so dates are so good. So I soaked my date and I'm removing the seeds. Okay, so dates also moisturizes the skin. Yes, date contains pantothenic acid, which nourishes and hydrates the skin, making it supple. So one good thing about date is even while you're trying to lose weight and you're taking date, it helps your body to remain plump. That is, you would not have sagging skin if you incorporate date in your weight loss journey. Okay, so it also helps to prevent acne. Yes, the high vitamin B content helps reduce skin infections and acne. Yes, date also helps strengthens the hair. Yes, dates are rich in iron, so that it helps to improve blood circulation to the scalp and promoting stronger, shinier hair. So you can see that these things, when you take them, they go inside your body and begin to work on your skin. Okay, so let me tell you, some health benefits of dates. Okay, so dates boost energy. Yes, dates are a natural source of sugars like glucose and fructose. Yes, which provide a quick energy boost. Okay, so dates also aids digestion. Yes, it is rich in fiber, and this promotes digestion and prevents constipation. So if you're looking to have a glowing skin, guys, avoid constipation. Okay, so date also supports bone health. Yes, it contains calcium and calcium and phosphorus. Yes, and magnesium. Okay, which strengthens bone and teeth. So you can see date is so good, and it improves heart health too. Yes, so date reduces cholesterol, okay, and regulate blood pressure due to its high potassium and magnesium content. So date is so good for your body, guys. Instead of taking sugar, instead of sweetening your smoothie with sugar or something you don't know, and instead of going for honey you're not sure of, date is the best for you. Dates would help you if you're someone that loves to take sweet smoothie, that love to take something sweet. I give you recipes that are not boring, something you can't take. I give you recipes that you can actually take and you enjoy it while you are getting the benefits. So you can always sweeten your smoothies and your juice with dates, okay? And dates supports brain health. So guys, my baby is here with me too. You can hear his voice. Okay, so let's continue. Date supports brain health, like I said. Yes, it has antioxidants in it, yes, that helps to reduce inflammation and protect against brain damage. Okay, yeah. So date is something you can always have to replace sugar and bad honey. Yes. So if you're not sure of the kind of honey you're buying, please go for date. It is a natural thing. You can see it clearly with your eyes. Nothing is mixed with it. Okay. So it's better you buy the whole date yourself and use it. So I'll also be making a recipe on how to make date syrup. So in case you just want to have it handy. Okay, so make sure you're subscribed to this channel and turn on your notification bell. So whenever I upload that video, you would not miss it. So we'll be making date syrup on this channel so that we can use to sweeten whatever we love to sweeten. Okay, so that is it about dates. So I'll pour everything into the blender and blend. Okay, so that is the tomato, cucumber, date, and my ginger. So I would add my lemon juice as well. Then I added a little water, okay, to make a beautiful smoothie. So grind this into smoothie into smoothie, yes. So make sure it is very, very smooth so that you can easily and drink it. Okay, so I don't advise sieving this. Yeah, so try to get a blender that is so good so that you can blend this very, very well into a nice smoothie. But if your blender cannot blend everything into nice smoothie, you can actually sieve, but do not throw the chaff away. You can also eat the chaff. Okay, yes. So guys, this is it. Our smoothie is ready, and this is super, super healthy. This would help brighten your skin, make you look younger than your age, and keep you healthy as well. This is far, far better than some of these what do I call them? Some of these drugs we buy and call them supplements. Okay, yeah, the combination of everything I've shown you here is a very perfect combination for your skin. So please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed up to this time, hit on your subscribe button, and I would love to see you in my next video. Remain blessed.